And hello YouTube, how you going? Now if you want to see the great phone grabbing sound effect, I've got it for you. It's very hard to come by, but I've sorted the phone grabbing sound effect, and I've also got a whole range of other sound effects. Now my sound effect channel is YouTube channel Gaming Sound Effects. It is gaming sound effects. Don't go to the channel just yet. Just hold on a couple of minutes. I'll show you phone grabbing, and I'll show you some other very popular sound effects as well, including the gaming coin dropping sound effect, a fart sound effect. I've actually got about 12-15 fart sound effects. I know it's a bit rude and a bit offensive, but that's what the people want, and that's what the people get. We've also got like phone ringing sound effects, cruise ship horn sound effects. We've got all sorts of sound effects. I'm going to go straight over to YouTube now, so hang with me if you want to, and I'll take you through my whole catalogue of sound effects. I've got over 340 uploads, 340 videos of sound effects, plus other videos. So hang with me, and I'll take you on a guided tour, and if you feel like it, you can come back anytime and download the whole 340 videos I've got for free, absolutely free, here at YouTube Gaming Sound Effects. Thank you very much. Just hold on a moment. So I just have to delete image and delete video capture. Okay, now we're going over to, oh no, sorry, I actually need video capture. Just bear with me for a second. It's coming back. I'm back. Okay. Just hold on a moment. Nearly done. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, now we're heading over to YouTube. Heading over to youtube.com. Gaming sound effects in the top right corner. Go to my channel. And we're here at Gaming Sound Effects. Okay, awesome. Go to videos. Okay, and here's the famous grabbing phone sound effect. People obviously want phone grabbing sound effect because they're having a fight with their boyfriend or girlfriend, or they want to deceive their boyfriend and girlfriend, and someone grabbed my phone, so they've even got it on, so they've recorded it, and then they've shown the other person, or they've made the other person hear the sound effect. Here it is. There it is. That's all it is. But that's all it is. I was tried to make it longer, but it doesn't sound right. I'll play it again. That's the phone grabbing one. So if you enjoy that sort of sound effect, come over and use it in your videos, or use it on your boyfriend or girlfriend or your friends or whatever. I'll play it one more time. I've got the phone grabbing sound effect. There we go. Awesome. Alright. What else we got? Retro coin sound. Let's play that. Look how many sound effects. See all the sound effects I've got on my screen, folks? So many to choose from. So come over and have a play around yourself. Sorry, I talked over the top of that one. That's all that is. But people put them in their videos. The gaming videos. That's what the people want, and that's what I give to the people. It's not about me, it's about the YouTube audience and the YouTube video creators. Here's another gaming sound effect, gaming coin sound effect. I've got a couple of these because they're pretty popular. That's like a Mario Brothers one or something. It's pretty good. I've also got like gunshots and arrows. I see you in a scary voice. Play this one. I see you in a scary voice. Play it again.
I see you.
very scary. You can use that in your videos or on with people, or whatever you want to use it for. Oh no, now I've just lost the YouTube. Great. Back again. Alright. What else have we got? Cats meowing, dolphin sound, that's pretty popular.
Like you cut, G.
Oh, that's like you cut, G. I basically went past it. I'll go back to the dolphin. That's pretty cool. Next one. I like you cut, G.
Like you cut, G.
Next sound effect. Stinky fart gaming sound effect. That's a pretty good sound effect. What have we got next? Microsoft Windows sound effect. Plenty of sound effects on offers, folks. Absolutely heaps, and there's going to be heaps more to come as well. So if you subscribe, you'll be in for a treat. And also you'll be like entered into giveaways and stuff as well, which I have at the moment. It's an Apple Watch Series 5. Sorry, I spoke over the top of that. Apple Watch Series 5 giveaway. So if you subscribe to the channel now, you'll be in the running. That gets drawn on October the 31st. The last giveaway was a guitar. Jack Port won that of Australia, and he's already received it. Alright. Next sound effect. Anime. This is a good one. Gaming creators love this sort of stuff. Play that again. Yeah, it's pretty cool, even though it's short. But that's all it takes. It's just one little sound effect can make a huge impact on your video. Baba baby talk sound effect.
Baba. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Play that again quickly.
Baba. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, next sound effect quickly. Bazinga voice.
Bazinga.
Bazinga. Next is Silence Wench. Sorry for the people out there who I offend, but that's what they want. Silence Wench.
Silence, wench. I do not wish to be horny anymore.
This is what they want. That's what I give them.
Silence, wench. I do not wish to be horny anymore. I just want to be happy.
I just want to be happy. Okay, let's go back to the main board.
Bazinga.
Probably just a couple more sound effects and I'll end the video. So if you want to see a couple more sound effects, hang around and I'll do a couple of gunshots, maybe arrow hit. Alright, just have a look at all the sound effects. Oh, look at these. Bazinga, Stinky Fart, American Boy they like.
American Boy.
And that's all that is. Very short, sharp and shiny. Plenty of Stinky Fart ones. They're my live streams. We've got Fuck Off. Sorry if I offend anyone, but this is what they want.
Fuck off! Fuck off!
We've got that one. We've got plenty of sound effects in the catalogue. Where's the gunshot one? I probably can't find it because there's so many. Hilarious game sound effect.
Sangue de Jesus tem poder.
And that's all that is.
Sangue de Jesus tem poder.
It's in a different language or something. I'll just put it as a funny sound effect. Gaming sound effects. Oh, that's a live stream next. Play messages, click on messages, show.
My team and I always drove lots of traffic to our site, but hardly...
Next, that's another stream.
You guys ready to
Oh, that
cry?
video.
Before we get started, a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's...
I'll just go back quickly. And here we go. We've got plenty more. Groaning fart sound effect. These are always popular. And we got that, and that's it basically, folks. I'll just show you the rest of the videos. Just have a look how many videos I've got on offer. They just keep going and going. There's the guitar giveaway contest which I held. That's see, we've got torpedo explosion, we've got fast whoosh. I haven't got time to go through all of them. That ear-sing arc sounds awesome. Bomb explosion, car horn, electric drill, gun reload, gaming beatbox, loud thunder, water splash, tape rewind. We've got heaps, we've got hundreds. Race car, we've got police siren, we've got awesome loud gunfight, loud saw fight, phone busy engaged, phone ringing on vibrate, phone ringing 2, lightsaber, gunfight 2, boom chuck music beat, hot rod car burnout. We've got loud arc, we've got sword draw, gun reload, grenade gaming sound effect, loud bazooka, boom chuck beat again, loud gunfight, loud slap, punching bag, punches, lightsaber, rapid machine gun, awesome loud fireball, loud whoosh pass, stun gun, loud thunder, loud machine gun, busy phone call, the news broadcast. It just goes on and on and on. They just keep coming. Frog croaking, zombie city, keep going, fax machine, gaming sound, coin drop, clock ticking, booing crowd, arpeggio piano, applause, bomb alarm, play all voice gaming effect, out voice, gaming sound, shake a leg voice, good gravy voice, TikTok voice. We've got melody, magical gaming voice again, piano gaming voice, cartoon voice. We've got multimedia inquirer, horn cruise ship, Morse code, GPS voice. We've got clock ticking, CBR audio, alarm clock, space door opens, space whoosh gaming, fast whoosh. They just keep coming, folks. Look, punch gaming, like so many sound effects on offer. And that's my channel. So thank you very much for joining me at Gaming Sound Effects. My name's Darren, and if you've got any queries, message me or leave a comment in the message box. I get back to every single comment, to every single person, subscriber or non-subscriber, it doesn't matter. Come to Gaming Sound Effects, subscribe, enter in the draw to win the Apple Watch. Have a great time, play around with all my sound effects and spend as much time as you like here. Tell your friends, tell your family. Come to Gaming Sound Effects YouTube. I'm excited about this channel, folks, and I want you here. It doesn't matter who you are, just come to my channel and play around, subscribe, and have a great time. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm Darren Smith, and good luck to everyone, and take care. Bye.